Guys, we're loaded up on golf carts. This is our new fancy E-Bolt. This has a Bluetooth stereo system, has Apple CarPlay, has your other phone system in there, DVR system. It's got rear and front cameras. Trojan, of course, all these are going to have your Trojan Motive 850s. We have, this is the deluxe 6-seater. These are $11,000. Those are on sale for $10,000. It's another bad to the bone E-Bolt. This is a 6-seater on sale for $10,500. Lifted Trojans, Bluetooth stereo system. This is another E-Bolt. This got your and these all have tinted windshields with them too. High-end tinted windshields. These have coolers in the back for your beverages. What else we got? Let me show y'all a few more we got in. 10 grand. We got 3.9 for 60-month financing. I do, if y'all warranty people, if y'all want warranty, I do have a bank that'll warranty that for 66 months if you finance through them. And where else? What else we got? Let's show you what else we got. Our open house is tomorrow and Saturday. So y'all come in for some food, some giveaways. And if I'm giving out any deals, it's gonna be tomorrow and Saturday. Some of my companies are giving deals. So this is gonna be our deluxe model 4-seater. This unit here is $94.99. This is a really, really nice cart. If you guys know some other brands that are around me, we are gonna save you a ton of money here. In 3 years, I've never had a cart issue. I had one of the batteries mess up, blow up, because they didn't refill the water. The factory put all new batteries in there for free. I had another guy, he dropped this off the back of the trailer and broke his little gearbox on his steering column, but he said, no, that's not a golf cart issue, that's a my issue. So he cracked his gearbox on the front end. We'll have to give him a new gearbox. And one lady's grandkids turned theirs over and all the batteries fell out. We had to put the batteries in it. We've got these. This is a 5-seater. 5-seater with a windshield. Winch, this is an 800cc twin cylinder. Winch on the front. These are $13,500 on sale. I got 3 of those. I got 2 gray and a red. Let me show you some other stuff we got. And I'm just basically showing y'all our new stuff. We have the first 4-door four-wheel drive EV lithium-ion with the Roy Powell system. American made. 88% of that buggy is made right here in the States. We have the first one in the world, and those are $26,000, decked out with sound system and everything. I have a gas version of that with a Vanguard 700cc for around $18,000. And of course we have the 2-seaters too. These are really nice American made product. This is $13,500. This is another 5-seater. A lot of leg room in that thing. It's also got a power dump bed, hydraulic dump bed. All right, this is I really wanted to focus on this is another deluxe cart. These are $9,500 at 623 North Main. These are 200 EFI fuel injected gas rigs, $6,500. This is a golf cart gas 200 fuel injection, $6,500. Yes. All right, this is new. LED lights, winch on the front, 4-wheel drive golf cart. This has a Bluetooth soundbar system. This has a huge touchscreen with all your information, stereo, everything, Bluetooth. These are really, really nice. Comes with a windshield, extended roof, golf cart bed. These are also $10,000. Got the trailer hitch right there. And this is our new fancy E-Bolt. I'm gonna show you all these seats. Very, very high-end seats. This ain't like your little jank golf cart seats you see. Also, this is all diamond plate. Steering wheel's nice. That, and then you've got your stereo system. Everything's up here. So I'll give you an example. Let's turn this puppy on. Baby. Yeah, check this out. Yeah, front rear view cameras. And then it's got Apple CarPlay, Android, DVR system, FM radio built in, Bluetooth. This golf cart right here is very high end, and of course we have your TA50 Trojan Motive and top line controller, top line motor. Yeah, 10 grand. Y'all come get them. 623 North Main. Check out our wheels, tires. Also check out our A-arms, the way these things are built. You know how janky golf cart frames are? Check this out. This is actually built. None of that jank stuff on this. This is a cool cart. Oh, and for you guys that like to carry beverages, check this out. I hear a lot of you guys say, I don't have anywhere to put my golf clubs. They make a little adapter kit for your clubs to go on the back so people can still sit here. You can get 2 adapters, put 2 sets of golf clubs on the back of this thing. One guy said, can I take the seats off and use it for a regular golf cart? Heck yeah, you just take the whole thing off, put your clubs in the back. But I would just mount them right here for like 30-something bucks off Amazon. We can't even sell them up here for any, I can't even get them here for that price. So y'all come get them.